Hey guys, Carey with DrillFit Training. I'm going to show you all the single leg hamstring curl. This is great for targeting the hamstrings or the back of the leg, and doing it single leg really allows you to isolate and focus on one side or the other, especially if you have any deficiencies or if you feel like you have strength on one side versus the other. A couple of different tips to go forward on this exercise. The pad at the very bottom may be adjustable at your gym, but it's not here. You really want it to be placed right above your heel, but not coming up onto your calf, so right on the back of the ankle. For your hip placement, you want your hips a little bit forward. Anytime you have your hip a little bit forward and your knee slightly behind your hip, you're able to get a much better contraction on the hamstring. And then you definitely want to brace your core on this exercise and keep your hips themselves as straight as possible, so you don't want to move around a whole lot. I'll go ahead and show y'all a couple of reps on here. Lots of control. As you come down, do not tap the bottom because that'll take the tension off the hamstring, and you can come up almost as high as possible as long as the pad does not touch your butt. This opposite leg over here, I'm really using to just brace. It's not really doing a whole lot of work except for keeping me in position. I'll do a couple on this other side as well. Great isolation on the hamstrings. I'll do this, it kind of depends on the workout. So sometimes I'll do it starting off to really get that great contraction before you get going into your loaded movement. Or sometimes I'll do it after the loaded movement. We've already worn them out a little bit, getting that extra contraction to finish with. This is going to be the single leg hamstring curl.